I'm a wizard.
Oh, yeah, feels like it's a good one.
It's a good one? All right. Hi,
Is
Arlen.
that your son?
Yes. Yep.
And your dad is just, his dad has more dark skin.
Yeah, his dad's Jamaican. Yeah, he's a Jamaican boy.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. You know what it is. Today guys, we're here doing a quick little tour around the Channon markets. This is the surroundings. Great. What's on your hands, Island? And there's little Island boy. We just got here, guys, so you know. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna sanitize your hands.
He was, yes, he was up that quick.
You did? There's not much coming out of it. Yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, we just got here now. All these food stores and stuff.
I'm a wizard.
That's so cool.
And I can make girls more beautiful for $5 even though there's not much room for improvement.
Come on down guys
And
to
I'm
the
at
Northern Rivers,
yeah,
the Channon markets.
Market, you know.
Channon markets every, what is it? What's the date they usually run on?
Channon market is...
Every second week of the month, is it?
Yeah, it's the second Sunday of the month.
Okay.
And at my store, the girls can have any necklace for $5.
Yep.
And they can choose a small charm that will sparkle like the diamonds in their eyes.
Lovely.
And I'll fit them as a perfect bracelet for free with any coloured cord, because I am a kind spirit of the universe travelling on cosmic generosity.
Love that. Love that. Thank you so much for that.
My pleasure.
Definitely.
Now I go to sleep. I'm exhausted.
I bet you are. Cheers. Natural soaps, guys. Aprons for cooking and scrunchies. Then you've got like your essential natural oils.
On the way out.
Lovely. Paintings. Wow. Beautiful. Back to some plants, guys, for sale. It's a lovely day out here, guys. It's so beautiful. The weather is sweet. It's not cold. I came in, I was wrapped up. So yeah. Oh, lovely anklets. $5. Aren't they pretty? The hand of Fatima, that's a nice one. You're right,
You can swim and shower with them now as well. You can swim and shower with them. Yeah. And some of you can wear it with a bracelet as well. Yeah. You know.
They're beautiful.
Actually, can I get 2?
Oh, you're getting 2?
Yeah.
2, I'll start right.
I'm gonna grab some, guys. I'm just gonna grab this one. For some reason, this one's screaming out to me. Hi.
Sorry. It doesn't look up, he just looks down. Make sure there's nothing on the ground.
There you go.
Hi.
Oh, you're getting one as well?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, so that's just $5 for the anklet.
Okay.
Would you like it in a bag?
Yes, please, if you don't mind. That'd be great.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
That's 15 change for you.
Cheers, thank you. Thank you very much. We've got all sorts of things here, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you are here every month? Okay,
Every
great.
month.
There you go. How's that?
Well, there you go, Island. We've got something for Mummy. We'll have to find something for you, huh? Hey, Bobo? Thank you. Have a good day. We'll probably come back around.
I'm just going to take Mum's photo buying
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh, good.
That's good. Woodcraft. Guys,
You can't
wow.
come in.
I know. If you're into some, like, you know, lovely hats. Beautiful.
It'd be nice
Look at that. Oh, wicked.
but it was before I went.
So you got local produce, guys. I'm gonna buy a pine because I like pineapples. You're right. Take your time. It's all
Sorry.
good. I'm just gonna get a pineapple.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna go this one. Hope I made the right choice here, guys. Thank you. Why am I giving it to you?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, feels like it's a good
that's
one.
a good one? All right. I trust you. All right. Here we go, guys. Have a good one.
Cheers, you too.
Cheers.
Oh, you're being classy now. You're being posh. Puppy boy.
think we should get something to eat, Bobo. Hey, get something to eat? Mm-hmm. Huh? Huh?
What do they say? UFOs are on their way.
Alright, you can walk in front, there's no problem.
Cultures want opinion. No, 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 no. No, no, they weren't. They were based on what made the people strong. They worked all together. Yeah. When I was an alien, yo, cultures want opinion. Yo, we gotta find a better way. Better way for you and me.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Let's go. Chicken foot, please. So, Julian? Happy alchemy. Yeah, thank you. Excited to swim. Yeah, we're going to wander around in a minute.
Waffles.
You know very well. I mean, I was already taking with them when I saw them. They're not matching. What stone is it? Oh my god, I thought I was
I don't want to go there at my next one. I want to go there. That and Madagascar. They're my two.
So guys, you can get like local produce grown here. Beautiful jewelry, handcrafted. Oh, beautiful! Look at that.
Yeah. Wow. The new addition to the family. Okay. Yeah. Gotta get it.
Oh, aren't they beautiful?
Just should last you. You just drink it into small pieces when you go.
Are you good, Bobo? What are you doing, boy?
This would just be Thank you so much.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Oh, beautiful little journal books, intentional diaries, crystal heart. Paint your own mushies, paint your own mushrooms. And you've got like families chilling out in the sun, having something to eat. It's a relaxing vibe. Plant-based candles. Guys are here again, Pizza Loca, pizza empanadas. They're Argentinian, I think, from before I spoke to them. Mexican food over there, guys. I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so I'll get something to eat. Plants for sale as well.
If we get plants, we have to take care of it. Some of them will die.
Beautiful. You've got a sweet tooth, you can get some cake as well. Freshly and so you got all your fresh food over there, food stores. Ooh, maybe we get a freshly squeezed orange juice. Hey Island, you want some orange juice? Get some orange juice. Hi, how you doing? That's good. Can I just get a small orange juice, please? Awesome.
Somebody sent me a message and I had to, it's really good because I've been trying to catch up.
Okay, that's fine. Take your time. It's a relaxing, small, thank you, orange juice, yeah.
So how's life?
Good. Good, not too bad. Everything's going all right.
I reckon everything's
I'm just vlogging you, videoing you.
Check this out.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Is that a GoPro?
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna get one.
They're really good.
Does that one go in the water?
It goes in the water, yep. Yep.
I'm gonna get one because I go surfing all the time.
Oh, you'll love it. They're absolutely so great underwater.
And then I want to, well, I dive too.
Oh, wow. That would even be better. Yeah. Yeah, get one. They're about 500.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can get like cheaper, like the cheaper ones, like the GoPro 7. This one's a GoPro 8.
Yeah.
I want to get the GoPro 9 though. I think the quality's a lot better. But
So which one is gonna be okay in the ocean?
all of them, they're all
you
good.
serious?
Yeah, all of them are really good. Yeah. I hear you have an accent. Where are you from?
Originally California.
Oh, lovely.
But I've been here since before you were born.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, I know I have been.
Oh, that is
No, I got here in
awesome.
'78.
Oh, okay.
So it's like, yeah, I just.
Well, Argentina originally. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
The guy
But I've
that
been
has-
here ever since.
The guy that has a coffee shop right here,
Here, yeah.
he's from Argentina.
Oh, really? I'll have to go and pay a visit and say hello.
Big Ronnie.
Oh, okay. Big
He's
Ronnie, that's his name.
awesome.
All right, cool. Awesome. Hey,
Is
Island.
that your son?
Yes. Yep.
And your dad, is his dad have more dark skin?
Yeah, his dad's Jamaican.
Fucking
Yeah, he's a
beautiful, man.
Jamaican boy. Yeah. So,
He's so cute.
thank you. Yeah, he is. Aren't you, Island? Say hello.
What's his name?
Island. Island, like the island of Jamaica. Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah.
Man, dude, you got a charmed life, let me tell you. You're gonna have a great life.
No, yes. Yes, we are. Awesome. All right.
No, he's gonna have a great life. So it's 6, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 220. Now he's already got the looks,
He's gonna be trouble.
and he's probably gonna have a great attitude.
Thank you.
So-
He does already. He's very placid. He's like his dad. He's quite humble, chilled. Yeah, the chill vibe, you know? The real,
Very cool.
yeah, very cool.
Very
Thank you so much.
You have a great.
You do. You two have a great day. We'll probably be back around for another drink.
I'll be waiting.
Awesome. Cheers. I'm going to give little Island some. See how he likes it. Island, you want some juice, Bubba? Yeah. Hang on, let Mummy have a bit more. Let's go. I'll give you some here. Oh, trying to give him some OJ. OJ. There we go. You ready?
It's so spaced out.
Ooh, yes. How was that? Nice. Have another more? Beautiful. Whoop. Whoop. Nice, wasn't it, Island? All right, let's go. So there you have it, guys. You know, just a little bit of a tour. Hey guys, well, that's a wrap for the day. I hope you all enjoy the time with us. Me and Island, we had a really good time. Spoke to some people and things, so can't wait till baby's here so we can experience this together. You know, I'm sure he's gonna really enjoy it. Hey, isn't he? Isn't he, mister? Say bye, everyone. Bye. All right, guys. Have a blessed day.